Oh, I'm muted. I'm tripping. I'm all right. My bad, y'all. We back. We back. My bad. Thanks. Hey, thanks for letting me know, the kingdom. Thanks for letting me know. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me go ahead and set everything right. 1 second. Market already is this open yet? No, market opens up in 2 more minutes, y'all. Give me 1 sec. 1 sec, family. Just 1 sec. I'm just trying to set everything correct. All right, so welcome back, y'all. Look, you already know it's Thursday, and I don't even see if we have any news. I gotta check everything. I've been kind of like all over the place this morning. Had to bring my daughter to school, and everything was just a little wonky this morning. So give me a second to check. All right, we already passed up all press conferences. We don't really have no news in the rest of the day, so we good. So no big news in the rest of the day, guys. Market is all at the open. It's probably open now. Yeah, open up in 20 seconds, man. How is everybody doing? Let me know in the chat. How y'all doing this morning? Let me know. All right, y'all. So before we start, I want to go ahead and spread some word. Look, remember this, y'all. Can any one of you, by worrying, add a single hour to your life? So if you're worrying, if you're having problems in your life and you're stressing out, trust me, adding stress to it is not going to add another hour to your life. So remember that. And also, guys, make sure that you trust in the Lord. Remember that we love the Lord. You know, he first heard our voice. He heard our cry for mercy. And every time we call on him, as long as we live, he will turn his ear to us. So remember that you always have Jesus Christ by your side, no matter which way you go, no matter where you at in life, he's always there. So make sure you call on him and don't worry, y'all. And God bless y'all. So we're going to start that morning like that. What's up, Alejandro? What's good, everybody? Welcome in. Market's about to open. We don't have any news, no true news. So we're about to go ahead and get this started. Like I said, you already know how I go. I don't really trade the first 5 minutes until market open unless I see a clear direction. But it looks like we're coming down. Let me get some music playing. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Get some jazz. I like playing jazz. Get a little jazz in here. Hey. Yes, sir. Gotta spread that word every day. I'm gonna have to spread it every morning throughout the whole week. I'm gonna have to spread it, y'all. All right, we're shooting down. Oh, goodness. All right. Make sure that we're not lagging too much. Let me go ahead and change the settings. Hold on. Let me change the settings real quick. Yeah, I don't want to slow these markets down real quick so I can have a little. Hey, man, I'm glad y'all in the chat, man. I'm just happy. Hey, what is one of your golden rules? Let the market come to you. Hey, that's one of my rules. Let the market come to you. Let the market develop and you take your trade. I'm gonna have to put that in the I'm gonna have to put that in the short. The golden rules in trading futures. A golden rule in trading. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey, what's going on? Why my chart's not showing? There we go. All right, y'all, man. How y'all feeling this morning, man? Man, we are breaking down fast. Like I said, I don't want to trade these first 2 minutes yet, man. This market is too volatile. Too volatile. Unless we have a clear direction to the bottom. All right, so oh, this is a little loud. All right, so we coming down into this 1 hour demand zone. We have a 1 hour right here, y'all. As y'all can see, 1 hour demand zone. We bounced off it the first time right here. We bounced off of it, caused this wick, and now we're shooting down. We rejected off of this block right here. Rejection on the 1 hour. Boom, rejection. Drop down to a 30-minute, rejection. 15-minute, rejection. 5-minute. We're just constantly rejecting. So we're gonna come down to the shorts. I might grab a short, y'all. Let me see if we have a retracement back up to this block right here on the 5-minute. If not, dang, it's already taken off before me. Goodness. You know what? Let's try a short. 1 micro short. 1 stop above. With this type of volume, we might shoot down all the way to the bottom of this 1 hour. Let's see. I thought I said I was gonna play the beginning of the open, but hey, I like this volume. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I like this volume. All right, we're shooting down. So one micro. I didn't want to go in full because remember, it is the market open. You don't want to go in full contracts and just blow your account. So you got to take your time. Man, we got it. Man, this move already happening so fast. Alrighty. All right. Hey, welcome in, y'all. I wonder how y'all doing, man. Look, all right, let's see where we at. What we doing? We pivoting. We're going up and down. Let's see where we at. Breaking through some zones. Any more zones? I don't see any other zones besides. Yeah, I don't see no more zones. I think we can come down more. All right, so we get a retracement. If we get a retracement and we go back up and we come back. If we get a retracement, come back up, and we start and we start respecting that block right here, I'm gonna get into some more shorts right in this area. We're gonna see, unless we come back down. Oh, I'm going in. Oh, I already took off right when I get it. Boom, let's go. I like that rejection right here. I like the rejection. All right, take off some. Left one runner. So we up 244, y'all. Just like that. Up $244, and we got one runner. Just like that. This was a quick move too, by the way. So I have one runner left and one of the golden. Yeah, so I have one runner left, and we already coming into a 1 hour, as y'all can see. Man, this move was so big. I should have known, man. If I would have started before the market opened, I would have caught this short because of the rejection. Beautiful rejection, y'all. Beautiful rejection. All right, let's see. Are we going to push more down, or are we going to continue to go back up? We're going to see what's next. I honestly believe, let's see. We're just going to let this runner run. Huh. Don't see any more movement. Man, this market been highly volatile. Am I the only one? Am I the only one that's been realizing how volatile this market's been? Like, I'm telling you, if you're playing minis, man, accounts are being blown if you're playing minis, because micros is literally, you're catching 100-point moves with one micro, and I'm telling you, you're making at least $100. Micros is all you need. Micros is all you need. I'm gonna just say it again. In today's market, with tariffs going on, micros is all you need. I'm telling you guys, it's been so crazy. Yeah, Doug, it's man. Before, man, I'm telling you, last year I was playing straight micros. My funding account, straight micros. I'm talking about every time I got a payout, straight micros. But now, ever since the beginning of this year, I realized how much I transitioned. I blew probably like 7 funded accounts in the beginning of this year. Funded like 7, at least 7 of them. Blowing them. And I was like, man, what's going on? Where's this volatility coming from? Didn't realize how aggressive tariffs can have on this market. Didn't realize how aggressive the impact this market would have because of just one decision. So I decided to switch to micros. I was not a big fan for the longest, guys. For the longest, I didn't like micros. Hated it. Now it's like, man, it's my best friend. All right, we're pushing down. We're going down even lower. Let me set this stop. Right. Actually, no. Let me keep it up. Keep it right here. I'm gonna keep it at this level. I'm gonna get rid of this trailing. I don't like the trailing much. I'm gonna just keep it right here and take a loss for $30 if we do pump back up. But I think we're gonna push more into this 1 hour though, to fill into some of this to hit some stops. Hey, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I just make predictions in this market. All right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Are we gonna shoot more down? Are we gonna go down for some more? What are we doing? All right, rejection. Let's go. If not, then I might take the rest and just call it a good play. We are rejecting that 1 hour perfectly. You know what? I'm gonna take this out for a profit of 247. Hey, that's what we do. That's what we do. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Give me 1 second. That's what we do. Like I said, guys, can any of you, by worrying, add another hour to your life? No, you can't. No, you cannot. Matthew 6, verse 27. Do not worry, guys. It's not going to do anything in your life to worry. What you do is, as long as you live, give it to the Lord because He is always there. As you can see in this picture, the Lord, no matter, see this guy in this picture right here, stressing out, worrying, depressed, going through things. Look who's next to him. Jesus is right next to him. So make sure you're calling on the Lord because He's always where you go. I mean, look, I'm not perfect. I stress out sometimes. I be blowing accounts. I'm always worrying about when I'm gonna do this, when I'm gonna do that. And you know what? I gotta give it to the Lord. Always remember He's there. He is the God that never sleeps and slumber. Okay, remember that. He never sleeps. He never keeps His eye off you. His eyes are always on you. So remember, everything below heavens and under the earth is His. Everything belongs to Him. So give it to the Lord, y'all. Always. Why you laughing, Doug? What's so funny, Doug? All right, so we all pushing back up. Ooh, we in a key level for real, for real. Hold up. All right, we got 4 minutes left into this 15-minute. We have 19 minutes left on the 30, 19 minutes left on the 1 hour. So we might continue to push down some more. Honestly, I can see some more shorts coming in probably. We might get a retracement, but I can see more shorts. I see more shorts maybe coming in. We'll see. That's my guess. Excuse me. Excuse me, goodness. All right. Give me 1 second, y'all. Let me fix this on my computer real quick. I had to take my little thumbnail. That's why y'all see me smiling. Lord, always give it to God. Always. Hey, I ain't perfect. I gotta remind myself too. I be falling, man. I fall short of that glory all the time. I'm always falling short of the glory. All right, we're gonna look for another trade, y'all. Man, we doing good in this account. Let's go. All right, we pumping back up off this 1 hour. Nice little pump. Nice pump. Let's go. Wow, that was a good retest. And I'm not using no indicators. None. Besides a VWAP. Strictly price action. But man, using depth of market, all that stuff, man. You know what I want? I really want to see our charts. I really want to see our charts so bad so I can see the order flow. I would love to see the order flow when buyers are when the buyers are drying up, when the sellers are drying up. I would love to see it, but hey man, I gotta get a stronger computer. I gotta at least spend like 3,000 on the computer that can handle all of that load. All right, let me try another short. I'm gonna try another short right here. If we start rejecting. Let's see. One more short. Just one short. Nothing too crazy. Risking just 1 micro of profit. I like that rejection off this that 1 hour perfectly. I like that rejection right here. I like that rejection. But I gotta give away for more confirmation. I just gauged the market. I just went in the market just with 1 micro so to gauge the market. Yeah, I like that. I like that rejection. Especially off the 3 minute, the 5 minute. I mean the 3 minute. We might push up a little higher. We might. So I'm gonna put my trailing stop a little higher and see if I need to add more. They say don't add into losers, but hey, I just gauge the market just in case they want to like plummet out of nowhere. The rejection on the 3 minute was perfect on the 1 hour. Let me take away this red light so y'all can see what I'm talking about. We didn't hit this. Let's see. We might pump a little higher. We do got a fair value gap above our heads on the 2 minute. So that was a big no-no on my end. We might reject off this point right here. Let me put a fair value gap right here. Have a great Easter with you, your family. Any book recommendations? A personal book recommendation? Hey, you know what's crazy? Man, my wife is reading this book. I forgot what it's called, but I haven't read any other book. And it's been probably a year since I've read any books. Any book recommendations? Hey, let me text my wife real quick. Let me see if she can give me a recommendation. Give me 1 second, y'all. Anything? I mean, it's gonna be probably towards finance. So if you're looking for a finance book, I have that. That would be probably where I'm gonna go for. You know, I'm gonna direct you to. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so it's just some predictions and some Okay, give me 1 second. I'm gonna see if she's gonna text me back on the book. But yeah, just hold out. Hey, I'm gonna let you know. Just hold on for 1 second. I'm gonna let you know, Alejandro. I'm gonna let you know. All right, we are rejecting. Look at that rejection. But also again, okay, we are swooping back down. Boom. That was perfect. So we didn't come back up. We did reject off that 1 hour perfectly. Look at that. Beautiful. Let me take another picture, man. Let me screenshot this real quick. Oh no, I don't like that screenshot. Hold up. There we go. Hey, let me see. What I'm looking for? What I'm looking for? What I'm looking for? What I'm looking for? Are you in there? Yes, you are. All right, I got my screenshot. All right, y'all. So we are coming right back down into that 1 hour. So we bouncing between 1 hour. As y'all can see, I'm gonna show y'all right now so y'all can look at it. 1 hour above right here that we broke through. 1 hour below that we're coming into, going down to a 5 minute so y'all can see. Man, we are coming down. Rejection. Ooh, let me see about another rejection. Let me see if this rejection is valid. Boom. All right, so we do have another block right here that we might just continue to shoot down. So we're gonna see. Let's see if we have any follow through. I'm gonna put my stop at break even. So this could be a risk-free trade. And see if we continue to go shorter. So see if we're gonna go shorter. And if you in this trade, you're making money. Nice. I like that. Man. Remember, give it to God. Give it to God. All right. All right, on the 15 minute, we printed above this 1 hour. I'm gonna let this touch this middle part right here, and I'm gonna get out. Yeah, I'm about to get out because we printed with this 15 minute candle to me has printed above this 1 hour, and we might push down just to get some volatility. But other than that, yeah, I'm about to get out. I'm getting out. I'm taking this profit. 363. We up 360. Hey, we up 360. Let's go. All right. We up 360, y'all. We caught two good trades. Man. 2 good trades. We took the trade. We took a quick scalp short from this 1 hour, right? As y'all can see, we took a scalp short off this 1 hour. Boom, coming down, bouncing to this 1 hour. We waited for the retest. Man, that was an ugly little move I did. Let me fix this. Yo, why is my computer doing that? Why you giving me hard times, huh? Why you giving me a hard time? Why? Just why? Sorry, y'all. Give me a sec, man. My computer got to do like that. Why you got to be like that? All right. So, yo, my mouse is not matching with my cursor. Y'all seeing this? Hold up. Oh, I know what's the problem. It's the lock tool. It's too strong. Hold on. Weak. There we go. Here we go. See, look. There we go. All right. So we caught this short down. Boom. Right? That was the first trade. The second trade was up here when we caught the retest and we saw the rejection. That was the second trade. So trade number 1, trade number 2. I didn't play heavy because look, this market is volatile. I don't want to start risking my funded profits. You know that I'll be crying right now. All right. and we caught the rejection. The reason why I took this trade going down, because I knew we was already gonna shoot down to this 1 hour. So why not take that quick scalp? The second trade right here, the second circle right here, we took this rejection is because the fact that it started rejecting this block, it didn't want to pass this area. On the 1 minute, it rejected. On the 2 minute, rejected. On the 3 minute, rejected. And I'm gonna say on the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, huge rejection back into this block right here. So I already knew, man, it was time for it to go back down. So we ping-ponging pretty much in between zones. So we pretty much ping-ponging. So I'm gonna remember, y'all, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just my thoughts and my guesses. So all right, let's see. What else do we have? Like I said, 15-minute did print. This candle is not loading. All right, let's see. So 15-minute is staying above this 1 hour. Okay, what else? 10 minutes left on a 30-minute. 10 minutes left on a 1 hour. 10 minutes left on a 4 hour. So we have 10 minutes left until the whole time frame is refreshed. Okay, let me look at the one daily. On a daily, okay, look on the daily. So usually I like to work from the daily and go up. My whole bias is, what I did was I didn't have a bias. I just caught scalps. That was scalping, by the way. If I had a bias to go to day trade, then I know where the market's gonna go for the whole day. But to tell you the truth, man, we look like we to be honest, from my thoughts, I'm thinking we might just consolidate. So I'm not sure. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. It's not a final decision. Let me see. Let me add a little point right here. Based off my theory. Just a theory. Nothing's really set in stone. Hey, I hope y'all having a good day, by the way. Alright, so we are retesting. Like I said, we are retesting. This block right here. Bing, bop, bam. What we gonna do right here? Man, we shot up so high. Goodness. All right, so we are hitting into that fair value gap. Was it a 3 minute? Fair value gap. We also have another line right here. Let's see. What are we doing right here? What's the move? Oh, we respected that 1 hour perfectly. So the reason why we're probably pushing up is because we hit some stops. Bouncing off this demand zone and we're coming right back up as a retest. That would have been a nice long. That would have been a nice long. A really nice long. But we already caught our trade, by the way. Alright, so let's see. What else do we have? Are we going to continue long? Or are we going to go shorter? We're going to see. My kid back there crying. My baby back there crying. Let's see if we got anything else to play. All right, y'all. So, we already caught 2 trades for a profit of 360. So we in the money. Let's see. We're having a retest. Retest. We rejected this point. We rejected this block right here. I like that. I like that rejection. I like this rejection that the wicks, they want to reject. I like the rejection right here. Even though we're still pumping up. We'll see if we have another rejection back down to the shorts. We're going to see. I just want to see how it's testing these areas of interest. Let's see. Ew, I don't like that box. What kind of box is that? I'm about to delete that. Yeah, we getting rid of you. And this is not a 1 hour. I'm gonna just put 2 minute. I said 2 minute, not 3 minute, 2 minute. Oh yeah, always remember, y'all. Look, always remember. Let the market come to you. Rule of thumb in trading. It's a good tip. I would say it's a good tip. Always let the market come to you, you know? So you can make the proper decision on when to take your trades, when to entry, when to exit. Always let the market come to you. Don't try to rush the market. You know, you can't rush the market. You can't move the market. Remember, let the market come to your zones. Take your time. Know when to get in. Know when to get out. Set your, make sure you set your risk. Set your risk parameters. Make sure that you're not risking too much. And that's pretty much common advice. You know, you don't want to just get into a trade just because you're seeing it moving. You don't want to catch the market already extended. You don't want to get into a market that's already extended. Make sure you let the market come to you. Let it hit your area of interest, your zones. You get into your trade and you get out. Just a little tip for you guys, just to help y'all out, because this market can get volatile. Okay. What's good? What's good? Hey, Deontay. Hey, my day is going well. My day is going really well. I'm happy because I have y'all right now to talk to. So at least I got y'all to talk to. Y'all watching. We just push it higher. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Come on, man. Look at this wick. Look at this wick on the 1 hour. What y'all think, man? What y'all think? We gonna go down? We gonna come back down and retrace this? This is a crazy wick. Like, come on. That's insane. That's an insane wick. All right, let's see what's gonna happen right here. I like this area. I'm interested in this area right here. I'm interested in this area right here. I'm interested. Let's go. All right, let me get rid of these little lines. I know this is confusing sometimes. All right, we're rejecting. Let's see. Hey, what are you doing?
Getting us your shoes. Oh, I see green.
Yeah, I'm glad I don't see red. I like this area though. I want to see if I might go into a short. You about to go?
Yeah, follow your rules.
If I don't mind me asking, you have friends that do trading? Nah, not at all. I don't have any friends at all like to do trading with.
Not yet.
No. I mean gonna lie. I like looking in communities. I do join discords to see like what everybody else is doing, but I just haven't really found anybody to like say, hey, let's wake up and do this, because I got a lot going on in my life. You know, I have my kids, my family, so it's like it's kind of hard to find myself, besides doing this stream, to like have like relations with anybody else. But maybe one day if I can, that would be nice. I ain't gonna lie. I would love to. I would love to have trading buddies. I would love to. Oh, she already going fast. And she'll see your message in the chat. All right, so we are rejecting off this point right here, y'all. You see this rejection? Remember, look at this rejection right here. Boom. Are we gonna go shorter? Let's gauge the market. Let's see. If we get below this fair value gap, and retrace back up underneath it and respect it, like from underneath, I'm gonna get into the shorts. Ooh, look at that rejection. Goodness. Now everybody's gonna try to get into the short. I have a feeling everybody's gonna try to say, you know what, let's get short. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left into this 15-minute candle prints. So, oh yeah, okay. Like I said, y'all, we got a couple of more minutes until these candles print. Hold up, let me see. You know what? Let me gauge it with one micro. 1 micro gauge. Let's go. Oh, nah, this is alarming. Oh, I don't like this. I don't know if I like this. We'll see. We gotta break this. We gotta break this 451 level. And then we didn't print past this bar right here. So we have to break this. If we don't break this, we're going back up. That's what I'm thinking. I'm trying to see now if I should get out. I might stay in. I'm gonna stay in. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Come on. Keep pushing. Push. Let's go. That's what happens when you follow your rules, you know? You set up stop that you're willing to risk. You follow your rules. Let's go. I'm up already this morning from trades. That's what's up, Buckets. Hey, shout out to Buckets for being up on the day. That's what's up. Hey, Buckets, keep getting them buckets. That's good. Hey, which one you trade? You trade NASDAQ? ES?
Car keys.
Oh, here you go. Okay.
I say, hey,
Say hey, look.
Say hey to the chat. Oh wait, just wait. Say hey chat. Say hey chat. Hey chat. Hey chat. Hey chat. All right, bye y'all.
All right, bye.
All right, be good then.
All right, be safe. Hey, ain't nothing like a supportive family, you know? That's the best. When your family supports your dreams and your goals. That's the best part about this trading is when you know you have people that support you and you know that care for you and stuff. That's why I do this, you know, for them. I really do this trading thing for them, you know. Really do. Alright, y'all, so let me see. I got a little distracted, but that's okay though. Let's see. Oh, we push it back up. No. Alright, let's see if we dang, you just shot up aggressively, eh? I kinda had a feeling we was gonna shoot back up. I had a feeling. The reason why I had a feeling we was gonna shoot up is because one, we in a fair value gap, which this one is invalid to me. We just literally bounced off one. But I'm gonna hold this trade. Remember, always hold your trades. Don't get FOMO'd out of the trade. Accept the risk that you're willing to risk. You know, don't get. And I've messed up. I find myself getting scared because of the volatility, and I just get out the trade. And then guess what? The trade plays out every single time. So remember, just because you've seen volatile, just because you've seen the market go the opposite direction of where you want it to go, stay in the trade, let it play out. Now look, it's pushing back down. I believe in this trade. I believe that it's gonna go down. I believe that it's gonna hit my take profit. My take profit, I'm gonna set my take profit back at the lows. Wait, oh, hold on, wait a minute. I'm getting distracted. I just forgot. We printed the new candles. So let me see. I might get out this trade just to save myself the headache. You know what? I'm gonna get out this trade. Because we did print on every time frame, and we might just shoot back up. See, like that, we might just shoot up. So that's a good way of managing your trade, looking at different time frames and looking at higher time frames, lower time frames to see how the higher and the lower time frames are correlating to understand, hey, should I stay in this trade? Should I get out this trade? So see, we just got ourselves out this trade. Now it could shoot back down. I didn't trust it. The reason why I didn't trust this trade is the rejection. I'm not liking the rejection on these different time frames. And we might move sideways, you know, who knows? We might move sideways. Hey, for real talk buckets for sure. Oh yeah, definitely. Hey man, shout out to you for doing good. Good job doing great. All right, so we saved ourselves from not blowing up our profits. So we did good. I'm not gonna lie, we did a good job. All right, let's see what we got. Are we going to just continue to move sideways? Are we going to bounce between this 1 hour and these zones? What we going to do? This is what I'm trying to figure out. Are we just going to continue to? I think we might continue to go long. I don't know. We might continue to go long. Let's see. We'll see. We might just ping pong between zones, y'all. Be honest with y'all. So I'm gonna sit off hands. This is a good. I think this is a good time to sit off hands unless we have a clear direction that we're going shorter or going longer. Until I see that we breaking these lows or we breaking these highs. So for example, if we breaking these lows right here, if we breaking these highs right here, let me color this so y'all can see it. If we breaking these highs or we breaking these lows, then I'll take my trade. But just you know, my opinion. If we break these highs, I can see us going higher. If we break these lows, I can see us going shorter. Just my prediction. But if we stay within this range, we might just move sideways until we squeeze out and then find a, you know, breakout. That's just my prediction. Just my prediction. Just my prediction. Yeah, that was. Let's see. Ooh, wait a minute. Actually, wait a minute. Let me try one more short. Let me try a short. I'm gonna try a short. I forgot. I just noticed a zone. Sometimes you gotta keep on reevaluating yourself. Sometimes you can see a play, and then keep watching the market for so long, and then realize, hey, you might be missing something. So I'm gonna try this short. Just one micro short. Nothing too crazy. I got my stop above, so you can see it. If it shows, hold up. I'm gonna have my stop right here just to keep it tight. God, maybe I must have hit the bottom for it to go back up higher. We're gonna see. Yeah, it hit my stop. All right. Yeah, I figured that. I had feeling. Well, the reason why I got back into the shorts is because I looked at the 1 hour. We got a point right here. We got of course, we have the demand zone, right? Boom. I go down to a 15-minute to kind of see correlation, but look right here. I like the rejection on these candles right here, especially underneath this 1 hour. Draw down to a 5. I like the rejection of this block right here. Draw down to a 1. I like how it's creating a lower low, but also a higher high. So we gotta see. Either we're gonna create a higher high or create a lower low. I'm just trying to see right now. So I was just taking a chance just to see if we're gonna go, shorter. Which we probably still can. I'm surprised I got wicked out. Yeah, all right, we might move sideways, honestly, y'all. I see sideways action. That's what I'm saying for myself. Just my advice. I mean, just my prediction. I think we have sideways movement going on. We're between these zones. Breaking down? Wow, it decided to break down. But we'll see. If the shorts do come in, I just didn't have the confirmation to get into the short. At first I thought I did, but it can just be a fake out. So sometimes you just gotta sit on hands. Even when the trade looks good, if you don't get that confirmation, you have to sit on hands because this market can whipsaw fast. Hot house. Let's see. Hey, Deontay, thank you for the W. It is a W. Nah, y'all being in the chat is a W. Thanks for rocking with me, y'all. Appreciate y'all love and support. Like I said, hey, I did spread the word this morning. I'm gonna re-spread it again since we got time. We always have time for the word. Like I said, can any one of you, by worrying, add a single hour to your life? No, you cannot. Remember that. You can't. So when you worry, how much time are you getting? None. It ain't doing nothing for you. But also remember, You see this guy in this picture sitting on the side of the curve. He's sitting on the side of the curve. He's stressed out, worrying, got his head tucked into his arms. All right. He have his head tucked into his arms, and he's worrying. But you see Jesus on the next side of him, comforting him, worried about him, helping him. Remember, we love the Lord. He hears our voice. He hears our cries for mercy, y'all. He always do. So if you're going through something in your mind, mentally, physically, whatever it is, give it to him. Because as long as you live, he'll be right there when you call on him. Remember that. Always. Keep that reminder. Even when your mind gets sidetracked about something else, keep your mind on the Lord every time. Every time. All right, what are we doing? All right, we have 30 seconds left to this 5-minute candle print. 30 minutes, 30 seconds left. Let's see if we're going to get a push down. Let's see. Are we going to get a push? Are we going to reject? Are we going to bounce? What are we going to do? Let's see. 20 seconds left until this candle prints. 5 minutes. 20. Oh yeah, also y'all, on X. Follow me on X. Follow me on X. On X. Follow me on X. And also, oh shoot, right here. I'm gonna be on Top Step Live. Big broadcast. Top Step Live, look in the right corner on the floor, on the ground. Top Step Live. Join me at 2 p.m. on the 22nd. 2 p.m. Central Time on the 22nd. Top Step. We're gonna be on there. Okay. All right, so we are ping-ponging back and forth. Ping-ponging back and forth. Ping-ponging back and forth. No clear direction. As like I said, we consolidating. We moving sideways. We between two zones. Looks like we are between two zones. So we're going to see if we're going to get a breakout to the highs or we're going to get a breakout to the lows. We're going to see. Chat. What y'all got planned today, man? What y'all got going on today? Let me know in the chat. What's y'all plans for the day? Y'all got anything going on? Y'all going anywhere today on a Thursday? What's y'all plans? Oh, you miss food challenges? I mean, that costs. Spending money. I would love to do food challenges. I would love to just eat. But the prices cost so much. Oh my goodness. I'll be buying food all day. It's just the price. I don't know if I could just keep spending money on that. Some people could, but when you got kids, it's hard to just like blow money on food and eat. But I miss it too. Don't get me wrong. I miss it. I really truly miss it. I miss it. Very expensive. Very expensive. Very expensive. All right, let's see what we see. I kind of had a feeling we was gonna bounce up and down, but let's see. Are we gonna get any true breaks yet? We're not breaking high. We're not breaking low. We're gonna see. I'm pretty sure a lot of people right now are stagnant on their streams. A lot of stagnates. We are stagnant right now, so I'm trying to see what we're gonna do. Are we gonna break higher? We're gonna break lower. We're gonna see. From the looks of it, we got 30 seconds to this 5-minute candle prints, and we have 30 seconds to the 15-minute. 30 seconds to the 15-minute print, y'all. 30 seconds. Thirty seconds to the 15-minute prints. All right, so 15 minutes just printed, and we didn't even break. No breaks, no nothing just yet. What is going on today? I guess look, maybe it's a good thing to trade when news is out. Maybe it's not a good thing to trade. I don't know. I usually like trading when there is news, but when there is no news, I kind of find myself, in a consolidated market. I usually like trading news because news gives you that volatility. It gives you that volume, right? I don't know, maybe not. But yeah, let's see. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna catch a long. See about a long. Since we did print on a 15-minute. We are, let's see. I'm gonna add some levels. Are we breaking down? Okay, I think there's a break. Is there a new low? Is there a new low? Let's see. Or is it a fake out? Or is this a fake out? We're gonna see. Or is the market faking us out? You're gonna see. Is the market faking us out? And it faked us out. All right, I got this Dorito, y'all. Y'all see the Dorito? I have this Dorito right here. I'm gonna use this as maybe to gauge myself into a short or a long. So we're gonna use this Dorito to see if we should go short or long. Well, see if I should go short or long. I don't know about y'all, but we gonna see. All right, so are we gonna break? Let's see. Are we breaking? No. Are we breaking this Dorito pattern? Oh, there we go. Ooh, they're gonna break. We'll see. 50 seconds left into this 5-minute candle on Prince. We gonna see. Nope, no break. Maybe a fake out. Maybe a fake out. We gonna see. Maybe the market is faking everybody out. What y'all think? You think the market's faking everybody out? Hmm. Yeah. Eh. This is not a break. That's not a break. Good luck to everybody that's playing this market right now. This is a tough one. Honestly, the volume is literally like just faded. Hey, thanks, Deontay. Appreciate the support. Thanks for letting me know that. I'm doing good on live. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm trying to. I try. Oh, we broke. Let's see if we get a retracement. Let's see if there's a retracement in this play. There was a break. Retracement. For maybe more shorts. I'm gauging. Oh, that's not too many contracts. Too many contracts. I'm not gonna do that. Alright, 1 micro. Where's my micro short? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where is my stop? I'm getting out of this. I do not see my stop. Where's my stop? Where you at? Did they not add my stop? Could have been a possible fake out. As soon as I got into the trade, my stop didn't show up. I don't like that. But at least we the market pump without me staying in it. Still got some profits. Bow, bow. All right, we're pushing back up, guys. So we didn't. Okay, so we didn't really get a clear breakthrough. But we're gonna see. Add some little spots where we might see rejection. Add some spots for maybe a rejection point. All right, Let's see. Wow, just stagnant. Goodness, market, you're stagnant. Hold up, wait a minute. The volume starting to pick up. That's how you know my computer. When my computer, when my computer starts lagging, that's how you know the volume is starting to pick up. That's sad. Definitely need a new PC. All right, we're gonna gauge you with 1 micro. 1 micro. But for some reason, my stop is not pulling up. I don't like that. There it is. I just didn't like that for a second. I was losing my mind. How do I follow what you're doing? I cannot see the asset or the time frame. The asset or the time frame. Oh, I usually put that. All right, I can show you the time frame and the asset. I can show you what it looks like. Because hold up, let me switch it all around so you can see it. Time frame, NQ, MNQ, in 5 minute. But I like to put it right here so people can see. But I'll let you know for sure. I don't really like my chart so small that people can't see it. M. Are we gonna break through this? All right, have a stop above this high right here. Make sure my candles are right. I mean my charts right so y'all can see it correctly. All right, yeah, it's right. Hold on, let me fix this. All right. I'm gonna just say the time frame. All right, so we're in a 5 minute right now. I'm looking at the 5 minute time frame. 5 minute, we're having a rejection. So I think we're gonna go long. I might get out this trade because we've been actually. You know what? I'm gonna stay in it. I'm gonna keep my stop tight. I'm gonna just keep my stop tight. That's what I'm gonna do. Oh, hold up. Keep my stop tight. There we go. And just let this play out. This is a 1 minute right now. I'm in a 1 minute time frame. And the shorts are coming through. If we can get some follow through. If we don't get no follow through, then I might get out. Be honest with you. If we don't get no follow through, I might get out the trade. Put my stop above this right here to keep it tight. If we don't get no follow through, I'm gonna get out the trade. All right, we getting some form of follow through. There we go. All right, on a 5 minute, we're pushing down. On a 15 minute, we're pushing down. Let's see. I'm gonna take, and we got an imbalance right here to fill. Oh, we got an imbalance all the way at the bottom. Hold up. Hey, yo. Y'all see this imbalance at the bottom? If we break this, yo, we going down. That's what I'm thinking. There we go. Look at that follow through. Let's go. Let's go. Follow through. Please pass that. Please close behind. Oh, we didn't close. Well, we'll see. Please close past that candle. Please, please, please. There we go. Hey, follow through. Bringing my stop just a tad bit down. See what we got. Are we going to reject this point? Let's see. Would there be a rejection to go down lower? Put my stop right above that. You know what? I'm gonna put my stop at break even. Put my stop at break even. And we're just gonna let this trade run. There we go. We're gonna let this trade run. I want to take profit. Let's see. I would like to take profit. I would like to. If it'll load. Ooh, there we go. Are we going to fill in balance? Let's go. Man, it's holding balance below. Hey, we just gonna let this run. All right, we're gonna let this one micro run and see what it can do. And I'm gonna watch the high time frames to see if we're gonna change or not. Oh yeah, I do want to see my time frame. Let me change that. I think that's best. There y'all go. Bam. I know the guy was asking to see my higher time frame. 1 minute. Five minute. Rejection. Hey, let's go. Winning trade, let's go. I'm gonna bring this stop at this high right here. You're gonna keep it right there for a profit of 30. So if it decides to come back up, hey, at least, hey, we was in the money. Let's go. If it do come back up, I hope it don't. I hope it don't. Don't go back up. Keep going down. Keep shooting down. Keep shooting down. Please. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Hey, we doing good. We doing good. Come on, don't start retracing. Keep going. Keep going. We in the money. All right, let me see what's over here. What's stopping on this 1 minute? Let's see. Hold up. Let me put a marker right here. Man, that retracement was crazy. Alright, 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 alright. See what we have right here. Let's see what we have. Alright, man, we got so much imbalance to fill. Oh, woo wee. Let's go. Keep shooting. Come on. Man, that imbalance needs to be filled. Just loading my screen. I'm coming, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm just trying to see. Man, once I get that new computer, man, it's gonna be fast, fast, fast. Once I get it, I'm coming, y'all. Just give me 1 second. I just want to see. Man, it's nothing but imbalance. All right, for sure. And a rejection right there. Rejection point. Let's go. Hey. Get me back over here. Hurry up. Slow-mo. All right, let's see. Boom. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of this. Welcome, everybody in the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. You know what? Just add that right there. And this is the 1 minute, as y'all can see everything in the background. Are we gonna retrace? Maybe I should have took partials. I mean, make sure I should have took the portion. Boom. Come on, show me some more confirmation to maybe get into the short. Okay. 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 What we doing right here? I'm in the 30-second. Hey, thanks for the trophy, Deontay. I appreciate the love. Man, you so supportive. Shout out to Deontay just for just giving out so much support. So much support. Deontay with the support. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right. We got a break. Come on, y'all. We got a break. We got a break. We want to see a break. No, come on. We don't want to see you go back up. We want a break. Our entry is at 356. 18,356. Our entry is at 18,356. I'm already in the money. I have my profit stop at 340. Let's break. Come on. Come on. I might, you know what? I might add if we get a clear drop. I mean, if we get a good rejection, I might add, but it don't look like, oh, well, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. If it takes off before me, then oh well. Oh, man. Hey, if my camera lens goes out, I'm gonna switch to the webcam, by the way. Just a heads up. Oh, let me pick this up. I can't even see. What am I thinking? Come on, we need that break. We need that clear break. We need that clear break. Let's go. Don't fake us out. Don't fake us out. Do the Donald Trump. I wonder what the news on tariffs look like now. I wonder if that's like died out yet. I don't know. I need clear validation. I'm not getting that confirmation just yet. It don't look like confirmation to me. I don't see the confirmation. Yo, if we, hey, are we? Gotta stay on every time frame just to make sure. Let's make sure. Hey, let's see. Ooh, we gonna reject? What we doing right here? Okay, okay, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, a little pump. A little pump, maybe a little pump and dump. Let's go. Dang, it's showing. It shows now how to like. All right, I'm gonna put my. All right, I'm stopping right here at 18,303. We're stopping at 18,303. I got my entry was at 18,356, and I put my profit stop at 18,300. Entry was 356, and stop at 300. Actually, that's a bad idea. That's a bad idea. Let's put it above 320. Just in case they want to like come up and do some crazy, like, you know, some aggressive, you know, great aggressive move or something. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Entry was at 356. I have my profit stop at 320. Above this this high on the 30-second. 1 minute, keep it above this high. I'm gonna keep it above this candle wick for $72. They won't play too heavy. I should have played a little heavy, man. I swear, like that's like always the thing. When you into a trade, You would have wished you would have added more, but when you're in a bad trade, you would have wished you would have added less. It's always the way it goes. It's so weird. It's always the way it goes. And we just continue to break. Let's go. Break it. Clear break? That is a clear break. That is a clear break. That is a clear break. Ooh, that rejection was crazy. This is how you know retail trading. I'm telling you, this is how you be knowing. It's when it does break, and then it just like, oh, this is a break. Let's get into the play right now. Let's go shorter, and then it just rejects and goes back up, it goes back up 30 points. And you gotta love NQ. You gotta love NQ. You gotta love it. Gotta love NQ. You don't want to give nobody nothing. Oh, knew that pump was coming. Man, that pump be coming. Ooh wee! Look at that pump. Everybody thought the shorts were coming in. Bow. Uh-oh, it's looking bad for the shorts. It's looking bad for the shorts. It's coming to take out some stops. No, I'm out. All right, y'all. We did it. It was a little small profit, just $340, $338. We did it. Let's see. Wow, that was beautiful. That was a beautiful play. It really faked everybody out. Nice trade. Let's see if we're gonna retrace, or we're gonna retrace and maybe get back into this short. Let's see if we're gonna get a retracement and we're gonna come back into this 1 hour. Show you the 1 hour. And this volume so high, my computer's laggy. Let's see. We got 18 more minutes on that. Let's go, Deontay. You seeing it? You seeing it live? All right, we are hitting. Let me see this fair value gap. Are we bouncing off a fair value gap? Let's see. 30-minute. Oh man, this trade. Beautiful trades. All right, let me get rid of all this stuff right here. This is just noise. Let me get rid of all this. Y'all like, what is that? What is all this clutter? It's all this clutter. All right. So it looks like we bounced on a 5-minute. We bounced on a 30-minute fair value gap. That's what I'm thinking. We bounced on a 5-minute. We bounced at a 5-minute off a 30-minute fair value gap. As you can see, boom. You know, red candle, big imbalance, green candle. Ooh, that's wrong. Hold up. This is better. This is better in my eyes. Okay. Big bounce. Big bounce on the 30-minute. The 30-minute printed 1 hour still. Let's see. 4 hour. Can we go lower? Are we gonna retrace to go lower? We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let me get rid of this zone. I don't like it. It's kind of like in the way. We're gonna see. Hey, let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 5-minute. What we gonna do? What we gonna do right here? What we gonna do right here? Let's see. I'm just looking right now to kind of see if I can get any type of confirmation. Any confirmation that tell me that, hey, boom, back down to the shorts. Let's see, y'all. We're gonna see. Right this level. What are we gonna do? Give me some confirmation. Here we go. Here we go. No. Let's see. Are we gonna go back into VWAP? No, no. Okay, okay, okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, hold up. It's about to get tricky over here. Ooh, it's about to get tricky. It's about to get tricky, y'all. Wait a minute. All right, you see no wicks? Hey, I'm staying out. I might stay out. I'm waiting for this. I'm waiting for the candles to come through. Look at these wicks. Indecisive. It's indecisive. I'm waiting for these wicks. Once I see some real volume come in with some real full candles, I might get back into another trade. But these wicks are making me stay out this on trade. I like this right here. Let me put a I'm not gonna get into this. I'm not gonna get into this shit just yet. I'm gonna wait for this I'm gonna wait for the buyers to die out. Once the buyers die out to me, then I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get in. Once the buyers start to dry up, I might get into a short. I'm still liking the shorts, by the way. That's my opinion. I like the shorts. No financial advice. None. Okay. 3 minute. Okay. 5 minute. Okay. Look at a. Let me look at a tick chart. Transactions chart. Okay. Ooh, I'm gonna try one short. I'm trying one. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna keep my stop tight. I'm gonna keep my stop tight. I'm gonna keep my stop tight. Let's go. I just want to see. Just gauge the market. Just want to see. I should have waited for confirmation for the candle to pass this candle. I should have waited. But we're gonna see. I just want to gauge the market. Just in case that market just go like if the just in case the candle literally just shoots down. Literally like shoots all the way down. I don't it do that. Man, you playing with NASDAQ. NASDAQ will literally just drop in a heartbeat. Literally. I might build up. Yeah. We'll see. This is a tricky area. This is a tricky area. You know what? I might have to get out this trade. I might have to. I might just have to. Because we could probably continue to pump. We might can still pump. We'll see. Yeah, we might still pump. Let me get about this trade. All right, back to 300. Okay, we're back to threes. We back to threes. I'm gonna stay out of it. I got another zone that I want to play out. It's right here. I want to see if this will determine a drop. Let's see. What am I calling this again? 15 minute. What we got? Let's see what we got right here. Are the buyers drying up? Are the buyers drying up? I need confirmation. At least confirmation. I don't really see any. I don't really see any confirmation. Let's go. Is this a spot to sell? Let's see. I gotta get confirmation first. We might just move sideways, but I gotta get confirmation first. If I don't get confirmation, then I ain't gonna take the trade because we can still pump higher and higher and keep just retracing. Ooh, I like the build down, and I also like this red candle overbodying this other candle, but I need to see it. I need to see this. I need to see this market. Let me see. Let me look at a higher time frame. I want to see it past this candle. I want to see the volume past this candle of this. I want to see a candle just shoot past this and just close past that, and I'm happy. I'm satisfied for the shorts. That's in my opinion. I'm satisfied, but I gotta see volume because we could just stagnate and wick all day, wick, and I don't want to be caught up into that all day. That'd just be wasting my time. Okay, seeing some type of rejection. Hey, how are you doing today? Hey, Rain, I'm doing pretty good. How you doing? I'm doing really good. I can't complain. I'm doing good. I'm doing okay. I gotta gotta keep telling myself, hey, I could use some coffee. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I could use some coffee. The water ain't cutting it. Any of y'all coffee drinkers? Hey, M. What's good, M? Hey, didn't you the one that asked for the book? Am I tripping? Yeah, I had to show. I forgot. I can show you the charts like this in a time frame. All right. Is this a rejection? Are we getting validation? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You a superstar too. Thank you for that. What's up, Kels? I never used KOT4X. I never used it. KOT? No, I never used it. Don't really have any thoughts. I don't want to give no financial advice just yet, but because I'm not a professional. I'm not certified, but I'm not sure. I mean, maybe give them a try. Maybe read their thing, read their agreements and see what they're about. And if you like them, give them a try. I'm not sure. I mean, I personally use Top Step. That's the prop firm I use. Fake out. Boom. See, knew it was gonna be a fake out. He always faking people out. Look at that. Y'all see that pop? You would think it's building down. You would think it's building out. Think it's building down, right? Coming down, but still rejecting. It's just the candles itself. Look, the candles itself are staying above. Look at that. Look at that. They're just not. It's forming down, but it's just not. It's not really breaking. Until I see a legitimate break under here, I see shorts. But hey, that was a good rejection. I like that rejection. Come on, see? Wicks. I already knew it. Wick. Wick. I get it from my role model. Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm about to give me a second. Look, I'm not your role model, but Jesus is. Hey, love the Lord, for He heard your voice. He heard your cry for mercy. And as long as you live and you call on Him, He will turn to you. That is your role model. I'm not your role model. I can lead you to your role model. It's Jesus Christ. Just let you know. I give all things and glory to the Lord Jesus Christ. I'm sorry. And make sure you're not worrying, guys. Make sure you're not stressing out or if you're having a bad day, give it to the Lord. He will help you out. You see, as this guy in this picture right here, look at this guy in this picture. He's getting helped out by the Lord. All right, we coming down, y'all. We coming down. Look at that. Look at that rejection. Wow, beautiful rejection. Yippee. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, hey, let me get it. Let me gauge it. 13 seconds to this 1 minute print. I gotta see this candle print past this. I gotta see it. I have to see it. Look at that. What kind of sneak? Yo, what is that? You see that? It even print past it. It just stuck. Man, that's not fair. Ew. Y'all see that? Yo, y'all see that? It even formed past the red line. It just, man, I don't like that. That's whack. Yeah, that's like, I don't know. Hey, that's kind of whack. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't know. That was kind of goofy. But hey, we gonna test it out. You know what? Let's get into this short. Let's just try a short. Let's try a short. It is what it is. Let's just try one short. Man, that sucks. That's not the confirmation I was really looking for. See, look at that pump. Man. Hey, that's what's up, Kels. Just been taking notes really. Just started trading for real. Hey, that is what's up. Hey, I'm proud of you. You're doing a good job. Keep doing that good job. What else? Your wife is my idol. Hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. Only got one idol. I don't want to be no idol. I don't want to be looked at as no idol. Hey, trust me, your only idol should be the Lord. I'm telling you. I don't want to sound too religious, but hey, gotta give it to the proper one above. Sorry. It is not me. And it can't be my wife either. I mean, but shout out to y'all that's doing good. Why you slow motion? That's okay. Yeah, I knew that was a fake out. I should have known this is a fake out. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I should have known. I should have known it could have been a fake out. How this candle couldn't even pass this red line. It just stayed on like it was just sitting on top of it. That's kind of lame. And then also this one right here is just bouncing. That is so not. That is not cool. That is not cool at all. All right, let's see. Put my stop tight. We also got another line above. All right, we coming down. Yay! It's doing it. Keep going, keep going. Push, push, push. Don't push back up. No. Push lower, push lower, push lower. Oh man. That is not what I was looking for. Hey, you're one of my favorite YouTubers. Your wife is my favorite YouTuber. She is amazing. Oh, that's sweet. That is so sweet. Oh no. All right, there we go. I'm gonna break even this. That was whack. Well, you didn't even have to shoot up like that. That's cool. You can have it. That's cool. That's cool. All right, here we go. We're coming back down. I know it took forever, man. It took forever. All right, y'all. Let's go. Godness, you had to. What took so long? Huh, market? Why you take forever to do what I do? I mean, do what you have to do, huh? Got me needing coffee. Let's go. There we go. Look at that. Hey. Keep pushing. I'm at a break even, so I'm gonna just keep my stop at how old is your daughter now? She's dang, lost my train of thought. She's 5. I was about to say 6. Come on, NASDAQ. Push. Push lower. Come on, come on. No games. Let's go. Don't bounce at this. Don't you bounce. Don't you bounce at this. You playing with my emotions. Seriously. You know you want to break that. Look at the rejection. You rejected off this 15-minute fair. Just reject. Come on. Man, I swear. It always seems like price gotta meet. Time has to meet price all the time. That was redundant. But you get what I'm saying. Let's go. We probably ain't gonna break. We probably move sideways and then we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Yeah, that's corny. Come on. Yeah, this is wiki. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Where the volume at? Where the volume? I need to put a volume indicator on here. There we go. Come on, push. Push. Hold your trade. That's what you do when you hold you don't take A. When you in a trade, stuff like that it almost stopped us out. Look how close. Look how close. Look how close we was being close to stopped out. This is why you don't move your stop unless you're good at what you do. This is why you don't move your stop. Always in trading, don't move this stop. I mean, I wouldn't move this stop because let's say if I would have taken out, right? If I would have taken this trade out right here, if I would have taken this trade out because it was coming up to my stop, how would I would have known that it would have came back down, you know? To keep me in the profits. So it's good to always follow through with your trade. It's always good to follow through with your trade. Even when you got your stop, the stop is set for you to say, hey, I'm risking this much. I'm willing to risk this 50-50 and accept the loss. So it's always good to follow your plan. If I would have taken it out right here, that would have been me. So I would have been like, dang, see this right here? Look at that. Look how close. Look how close. Oh my goodness. Always good to follow your plan. Never deviate from your plan. Remember that. Never deviate from your plan. Jeez, but hey, at least we up though. Let's go. Come on, what a follow through at? All right, so we are bouncing. Oh, hold up. Wait a minute. 2 zones. Psh. Let's see. It's gonna tell me, oh, I'm stopping you out. Yeah. You really came up, really? What are you doing? Come on, you know you want to go down? Let's go, let's go. Why are you tricking everybody? Got me setting zones after zones after zones. Well, if you know you want to go out, go ahead, tap it. Just go ahead, tap it. Maybe sometimes you do need to take out your trade. Who knows? Hey, love you. Hey, thanks for all the love, man. You're giving so much love. Yo, it's not. It is so close to tapping my stop. Y'all see this? Look how close. Like rejection. Come on, keep rejecting. Leave my stop alone. Just leave me alone. Let my account live, please. No, stop bouncing. Ooh, hold up. Please shoot down. Just shoot all the way down. No, why are you doing this? We are at a key level. That's what I'm thinking. Come on, just reject, just reject, just reject. You broke in the zone. You broke in the fair value gap. You broke the fair value gap. You tapped into that 5 minute. You didn't even respect it that much. Just come on. Just give me just keep shooting out. Just yo, I'm being tested. I'm being tested. I'm being tested. I'm being tested. Y'all see me? I'm being tested. We're being tested. We're being tested. What source is this? What do you mean? What source is this? Like what's the question? Like what do you mean? Like what kind of trading platform? What kind of trading is this? Yo, I'm being tested. It almost tapped my stop twice. It almost tapped. Yo, this is what, like I said, follow your plan. It almost tapped my stop twice at break even. Twice. Look at this. Twice. Twice. Let's say I would have been like, oh no, if I'd have hit my stop, let me get out before I lose profit. Stay in your trade. Follow your plan. Don't break it. Look at it. Now we're performing. We're performing. Look at that. Let's go. You have no choice but to go down. You can't keep going up now. Come on. Come on now. Like, come on. Like, where else can you go? Now, honestly, be honest with y'all. If we don't break, If we don't break it within the next minute, I'm getting out this trade because I'm getting tired of waiting, honestly. What source is this, Quasi? What source? Top Step. I'm trading futures. If you asking this question, I'm trading futures, and I'm on Top Step. We are on a man. We must really be in some. Are we breaking? No, we're not breaking. You know what? What I'm gonna do is there we go. Let's go. Keep follow through. What a follow through. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Follow through. Follow through. Follow through. We're on a 1 minute. Let's go. Whew. Yeah, I'm unfamiliar with this trade platform. Well, I trade Top Step. It's a prop firm. I trade with Top Step and other prop firms. Ooh, come on. Yeah, I'm not liking this. I'm gonna set my stop. I'm gonna set my stop a little lower and take profits right here. We have 20 seconds until this 5-minute candle print. You know what? Break even. I'm not gonna risk it. Hey, look. Like I was telling y'all to follow y'all trading plan. I'm gonna stick to my plan. I'm not gonna move my stop. I'm gonna leave it where it's at and let it follow through. If it decides to shoot me out, it is what it is. I accept the loss. If it goes down, then hey, we've stuck to our plan and we follow, and it worked out. But this market is really trying to get me out. Oh my goodness. Like, come on. 5-minute candle printed. Come on. You're just being stubborn at this point. You're being stubborn at this point. Why you gotta be so stubborn, huh? Man, NASDAQ is like a love-hate relationship. And it is pushing 10 o'clock, so we are close to, yeah, go ahead, hit it. You know you want to. There we go. All right, guys. Hey, look, 50-50. We knew 50-50 of a chance. Half of the 50 that we could we can lose profits, and other half of the 50 that we can gain profits. So at least I accepted the risk. It is what it is. We can still look for another trade. Allergies. All right, let's see. What's next? Are we gonna push higher? All right, whatever. Well, that was good, man. I enjoyed this session. Let me know in the chat, y'all, if y'all have any questions. If y'all have any questions in the chat, let me know. I enjoyed this session. I really had a good time. We was mapping out zones, mapping out supply and demand, looking at key levels, areas of interest, AOIs. I had fun. If y'all have any questions in the chat, let me know. If you have any questions that you want to ask me, let me know in the comments. Ask me in the comments. I'm about to be getting off this live. You see the pump came in. If the longs finally came through, and I mean it came through. Like, it bounced. Legit bounced. That's why a good thing to keep your stop tight. Always keep your stop tight. If you're in a trade that you're uncertain about, keep your stop tight. I mean, that's just some tips that I use for myself. Just be careful with how you trade, Remember, I'm not a professional. All I can do is maybe give you some pointers on like some opinions on what I think would happen. But other than that, you make your own rules. You make your own decision. So I can't tell you what to do, but make sure that you protect yourself. Just protect yourself. That's all I can say. And you can see these longs came in. They finally came in. Look how they shot. My goodness, man. A lot of rejection. And how we know the longs could have came in, how I would have thought the longs would have came in is how we respected this 5-minute and how we respected this fair value gap right here. So 5-minute got respected. Fair value gap got respected. And longs. All right, so look, I'm about to go ahead and get off, y'all. I really enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And really hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see y'all in the next stream.